Good morning. Today's April 9th, and it's the second day of our routines setting, I guess you could say. If you haven't noticed already, your teachers really aren't giving you any assignments yesterday or today, and tomorrow is going to be a fun day in which the guidance counselors are going to be doing all sorts of activities, some prize giveaways. I heard there are some gift cards that are going to be sent out, so that could be a fun thing for you guys to do. This is also a good time to catch up on any work that you have missing. I know I've gotten a bunch of emails from people saying that they've been a little preoccupied with other stuff, some legitimate stuff with family illness, some whatever. But they're planning on catching up on some work. I'm planning on catching up on some work, some grading. Obviously, you know me. Um, but this is a good time to do that since I'm not giving you any assignments. I didn't give you one yesterday. I'm not giving you one today. Certainly not giving you one on Friday. Um, anyway, this video is going to be um, the routine on how to communicate with me um, during my 2 hour live period. Some other schools call these office hours. You could look at it that way. It's like I'm in my office. I'm going to be in front of my computer for 2 straight hours, responding live to anybody who comments, anybody who emails me, anybody who needs help, um, or just wants to talk about anything. I'm here for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to use Muhammad from 806 because he's been consistently uh, hitting me up during the 2 hour window. So this is how this is going to look. Okay, so here we have the 806 Google Classroom stream. I post assignments. This looks exactly the same for every other class. Okay, so when 10 o'clock or 10:30 rolls around, I go immediately to my email. Okay, and in my email, I can see who's submitting. Well, I can see who's submitting things late. I can't see if you're submitting them on time, but that's okay because I'll see it anyway when I go into the Google Classroom. So I can see who's adding comments. Okay. See, I see Leo gave a comment to me. I already responded to that. Arit commented. I responded to that. Joy, Peter, you know what? Okay. And then Muhammad commented on it. All right. So when I see somebody comments, I can open up the comment and then I can respond right there through the email. And when Muhammad commented to me yesterday and the day before, he said, "Can you take a look at my assignment to see if I'm doing it right, to see if there's anything I need to change?" Okay, so I'm going to use this one as the example. This was the stock market crash reading. All right, so Muhammad, okay, Muhammad commented, "Can you just check my annotations and answers and then give me feedback on what I can do better?" Okay, so I took a look at it. I read through the whole thing. I looked at his annotations. I looked at his answers. And my response was, "I don't like your answer for number 4. The bubbles inflate with hot air, BS, total speculation, blah, 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 blah." So I gave him my 2 cents on what the answer for number 4 would be. Okay? And then he responded, I said, "Also highlight in different colors." So Muhammad went back. He changed his answer to number 4. It was more along the lines of what I was thinking about. And he changed the highlight colors, which is what I talked about yesterday. So I said, "Okay, I like number 4 better. Does it make sense to use highlight in different colors?" And Muhammad responded, and he said, "Thank you for all your help." And then we were done there. Okay, he didn't need me anymore. I didn't need to correspond with him anymore, so we were done. Okay, and then a few other people did the same thing. So it's really a great way just to make sure that we're all on the same page, that you're doing something right, and you know that I'm going to be on for those 2 hours. God knows what the heck else I'm going to be doing throughout the day. I mean, I got to eat lunch. I got to take care of my son. He is a big demand on my time and my energy. So, but in those 2 hours, I will be on. I will be live for you to ask me questions or to comment. Let me know if there's anything going on with you that I need to be aware of, um, or just to say hi. I mean, I know this is a difficult time, um, keeping in touch with people and not feeling like you have a personal human connection. Um, in those 2 hours, you know that I'm here. Um, we can connect. It's almost like an instant messenger sort of thing. So anyway, utilize it. I'll be on today from 10 to 12. Tomorrow I won't be on. Tomorrow we're instructed to just catch up on our work as teachers. But today I'll be on 10 to 12. If you're catching up on anything and you have any questions, let me know. If you just want to say hello, let me know. Um, Whatever, 10 to 12. Okay? So have a great day. Have fun tomorrow. I don't really know what they're doing, but sounds like fun. And have a good, restful weekend. Um, I'll post an extra credit assignment if anybody feels like doing it. It's another movie to watch. I was planning on showing this to you in class. I have it on my Amazon account, but say la vie, I can't show that to you uh, this way. So anyway, have a great weekend. I'll be around for you guys 10 to 12. Bye.